I set out to land. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates. I can make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say.
Hey boy, we're gonna have the noise Thailand, and I want to give you a chance to win a big prize, very big prize. Okay, and you can contact me for this. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, do you want to join this competition with me?
Oh, okay. We'll try it. Let's practice.
Yeah.
Hello, my beloved student.
Hello.
Welcome to this class.
Okay. Teacher, I want to join this competition, but I don't know what to sound in the voice.
Okay. I will teach you about high voice, low voice, and middle voice. High voice have a high vibration. Low voice have low vibration. Middle voice is the simple sound of people. It have middle vibration.
Too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go too many dates, but I can make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. And shake it off. Heartbreak's gonna break. And the fear's gonna fade. I'm just gonna shake. And shake it off.
Hello.
Hello. I wish you are lucky in this competition. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
That's all right.
Okay. Let's try.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Noise Thailand. This is the band reality show in Thailand, and they are our commission, Mr. James, hello, and Mr. Beam Band. Hey, start the first show and last show. Hey.
I say out to rain. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go out too many dates, but I can make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind that it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. And shake it off.
Is Gun and Friends.